Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a Google Classroom. So click on this and then open up Google Classroom first. All right, so this is the Google Apps. So there we go. So I've clicked on Google Classroom and then just find the classroom you want to go ahead and copy. Now for this, you need to be a teacher to be able to copy the classroom. So just click on these three dots right here and then click on copy. Now, you put in the name of the new class you want to copy this to. So everything will be copied, including the copied topics and classwork items, but rosters and announcements will not be copied, okay? So you can go ahead and enter these as well if you need to, but it's not really necessary. This is the only required one. Then I could just click on copy right here, right? And then, so this is the copy. You can come here and use this. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you what we have. So no announcements will be here, right? So classwork is being imported right now. As you can see, the weekly quiz, and you can go ahead and make this public at any time. Like you can just go ahead and assign these. So if you're doing a class yearly, the same things, easy to do this. As you can see, there's no one here yet because I have not shared the link. There's no grades as well because no one has joined and we have not assigned grades to anyone or graded anyone yet. So this is a class code. You can copy this class link and invite people. Okay? Really that easy and simple.